Fucking out loud. Ow.
Yeah, he's just so tight.
Take the rest of this, sit there. Yeah. Yeah. Go touch it. There's the net. Get out of your way, mate.